Welcome everyone, glad to have you here. There are many viruses, bacteria, and pollen that can affect the ear and nasal area. When you're dealing with congested sinuses, pressure or pain in your sinus region, along with that annoying stuffy nose, here is something that can bring a big change within seconds. We are going to focus on the paranasal sinuses and use a simple reflex connected to the brain to get quick drainage and open up that blocked nose. If you take a look, the paranasal sinuses are made up of four main sinuses. These include the ethmoid sinus, the sphenoid sinus, the frontal sinus, and the maxillary sinus. All of these sinuses are connected to each other. But in most sinus problems, the trouble is usually behind the cheekbones and up in the frontal sinus area. What we are going to do now is stimulate the zygomatic bone, which is your cheekbone, and also gently pull on the ears to help open the eustachian tubes. These eustachian tubes connect the back of the nasal region to the middle ear. When these tubes get blocked, we often feel pain, hear clicking sounds in the ear, experience tinnitus or ringing, and sometimes even vertigo, which is that spinning or dizzy feeling. So let me show you how quick and effective this simple technique can be. It will help your sinuses drain and open up your stuffy nose. First, take your right thumb and place it under the cheekbone. Push in gently and move it in and out. At the same time, take your other hand, hold the lower part of your ear, and pull it straight out to the side. Hold that position for 10 seconds. Good, keep holding it there. You should start to feel the left sinus area opening up. Excellent. Now switch sides. Take your left thumb, place it under the right cheekbone, and gently push in and out. While doing that, take your other hand, hold the lower part of your other ear and pull it straight out. Hold for 10 seconds. Keep holding. This is opening the right sinus area. Hold it a little longer and then let go. Good. Most of you should notice some drainage or dripping starting immediately. Now let's work on the nasal region for even better results. Take your fingers and pinch your nose closed. Take a deep breath in. When you take that breath, tilt your head back slightly and hold your breath as long as possible. Ready? Take a deep breath, hold it, and tilt your head back. Keep holding it. Hold that air in. Keep your head tilted back. Perfect. What this does is create a reflex that connects with the brain and signals the sinus and nasal passages to open up. Keep holding your breath as long as you can. When you can't hold it anymore, let go of your nose and slowly release the air as you bring your head forward again. Now breathe in deeply through your nose. Feels like magic, right? You can repeat this technique whenever you need relief. It's simple, quick, and very effective. Please share this with a friend who might need it, and let us know your results in the comments below. And as always, make today a great day.